Hello everybody, how are you doing? Okay, there we go. Ooh, what happened here? Sorry. Okay, I'm glad to be here with you one more day. Look at this. Wow. Let me move to the side. I think this is more important. Okay, we're doing verbs, ing verbs. Okay, English grammar. Remember these verbs? Okay, we did it in class. We've been doing it through the past course and this course too, preparing each other for the Cambridge exam. Okay, we have three forms. Here we including another one. We barely use it. Okay, but you're gonna see that it's very simple. Okay, now watch. Okay, let's go for the English tutorial, and we're gonna use a spelling rules for verbs in ing form. Okay, now here, okay, in this part over here, right here, we got base forms. That means present simple. Enjoy, try, go, do, drive, share, write, lay, lie, skip, put, swim. Okay, now I'm going to transform them, okay, or use the form of ing. Okay, in this case, let's use the form ing. Let me put myself here. Okay, so I don't bother anybody. Okay, look, cook, eat, speaking. We have cook, cooking, eat, eating, speak, speaking. Okay, you see, you don't hear me. I don't know if you heard me right, but you don't hear me saying other words. That means cooking, 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 eating, 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 eating. Using the same words using the same letters that I have, okay, written down. Speaking, speaking, okay. Buying. Here we don't transform either with the Y at the end. Buying, enjoy, trying, okay, as we see here. Okay, flying, we use it a lot. Right now we go to go and do. Going, doing, going, doing. I'm not pronouncing anything else. I'm not pronouncing double O or two I's, nothing like that. Going, so that's why we did it that way. Okay, drive, share, write. Here we have to eliminate the E. Okay, we have to eliminate the E, all right, because imagine driving, driving. Okay, sounds really weird to me. Sharing, no, sharing, writing, writing. There's that E right there. Okay, so that's why we eliminated. Okay, driving, sharing, writing. Okay, now lay, lie. Here, lay, lying is impossible. You need to take off the A. Okay? Lie, when you lie. I'm going to tell you a little secret. I see a donkey flying. That's a lie. Come on, don't lie to me. The donkey doesn't fly. So we do say, lying, you're lying to me. Okay? We use the ing right there. Then I like this one here, skip, put, swim. All right, we always said that when there's two consonants in a vowel, you have to repeat the last consonant. Put, for example, putting. But there's another thing. If you pronounce it, you have to write it down. For example, skipping. I'm pronouncing both P's. So, skipping goes with two P's. Swimming. You see, I'm pronouncing both M's, even though it doesn't look like it. Okay, but you are pronouncing it. Swimming. So that's why I have to put two M's. Okay. Every word that you repeat the last consonant, you have to repeat it. Okay. Great. Now, like, hate, don't. Let me move over here. Sorry. Okay. Like, hate, love, don't, plus germ. Okay. Let me move up a little more. Okay. Right here. I like reading books. She doesn't like helping me. He loves going to the cinema. Do you like traveling? Yes, I do. They hate playing games. All right, let's see the difference between like, love, and don't like and hate. Okay, like is like okay, perfect, I like it. Love is like wow, great, I love it. Okay, give me, it's great, the best. Okay, doesn't like, okay, yeah, I don't like it. I mean, but if I have to do it, okay, I wouldn't mind either. Okay, hate, listen, I hate doing that. I won't do it. Okay, you see, there's a big difference right there. Like and doesn't like is like right in the middle right there, you know? This, okay, positive and negative, affirmative and negative, but it's right there in the middle. It's like, well, you can choose. I like it, but I won't do it. Okay. Well, I don't like it, but listen, I'll do it. You see the difference between I love doing it. Okay, all yours. I hate doing it. Don't come with me. Okay. So that's the difference between like, hate, love, and don't like. Okay. Now, like verb, like plus verb ing. I like to sleep, like plus infinitive. I like sleeping, like plus verb ing. Okay, we sometimes use like infinitive to talk about habits or choices. Like plus verb ing is more common to say you like doing something in general. I like eating chocolate. I like doing this in general. It's like, listen, give me chocolate. I love it. Okay, I like it. Okay, that means I'll eat it very often. Okay, oh, I would love to eat it very often. Okay, I like eating. Okay, I love eating chocolate. I mean, that's the most. Is like, listen, I'm eating chocolate almost. I'm eating chocolate every day. Okay, here we're talking about doing this in general. It means once a while, I like eating chocolate. Okay. After these verbs, we use verb ing. Love, enjoy, don't like, hate. Okay, plus verb ing. I love reading in bed at night. I enjoy playing video games. I don't like getting up early. I hate washing the dishes. Look, I enjoy. Let's concentrate and I enjoy. Enjoy. Okay, enjoy. We done this in class, right? We went through it very quick, and everybody got it because enjoy is like, yeah, all right. It's like I doing it, and I'm doing it because I love it. Okay, so I enjoy. I enjoy doing it. Okay, I enjoying this part. Okay, so it's like right there in between. Okay, between love and like, enjoy is right there in the middle. Okay, I don't like getting up early. Well, we talk about this. I don't. But listen, I had to get up early in the morning, but I don't like it. But anyway, I get up. All right. I hate washing the dishes. Would you wash the dishes, please? No, 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 no. I hate washing dishes. Sorry. I mean, they can make you, but actually, when you say I hate washing dishes, like, okay, I'll do it myself. I'll find someone else. Very, very simple. Okay, now here, look, we got, let's read this up here. Use the verbs plus ing with fly, sing, read, play, and make in the sentences. Okay, that means we're going to use make. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with make. We have to fill 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on a second. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry, fly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. I like flying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Let's do this right. Okay. I like. I like. What would you like to? Okay, I'm sorry because these two right here, we're using the same one. I'm sorry about that. I forgot about it. We're using the same verb. You like that, huh? That was pure theater. I'm a great actor. Okay, well, I know. Okay, so we use here on this part right here the same one. Here and here we have to make. Oh, I just said something. What do you like to make? What do you like making? Like, of course, that's the way where it works. I like making the sandcastle. How do you do it? You're making it, for example, okay? Okay, what you put here, the rest of them. The next one, all right. Look, you got happy faces and sad and hate or dislike, okay, or hate. See, here we are in the middle, like and don't like. They're almost not the same because one is negative and the other one is positive, but they're in the same range. Okay. Now we're gonna complete the sentence using the verbs in the brackets. Okay. I dislike walk in the morning. Dislike wake up. Here, love dance. What would you say? I love to. I love dancing. I'm sorry. I love dancing. My mother. What is this? Hate do. Okay. Hates doing the dishes. Patrick, you enjoy play. Okay. Enjoy playing. You don't you dislike do. You your homework. Your homework don't you dislike do. Dislike doing, of course. All right. Well, the rest of you, I think I helped you a lot. Okay. The rest of you, try to finish it, try to do it, okay, guys, and enjoy. Okay. Well, very simple. Remember, oh look here exactly. We have verb plus ing: skating, singing, cooking, cycling, reading, working. Okay. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it a lot. And all I want to say is just to have a great weekend, sunny weekend, great weather. Enjoy and have fun. Love you guys. See you next week. See you later. Bye.